Polylines that are generated in yellow that you can see here. If we switch over to the 3D view, you will see that that polyline is not anywhere close to the actual point cloud. Let's now move it so that it fits onto the point cloud. Under your point cloud tab, you will see under deliverables, Drape object on point cloud. The enhancement we made, I will run through now for this command. First of all, let's select the polyline or the line or object we want to move to the point cloud. And secondly, let's select the point cloud we want to move it to, which would be the ground point cloud. Now in the search strategy, we have quite a few options available for you to decide how you want to move this object to the point cloud. You have minimum elevation, which will take the lowest point in the point cloud and move it to that point. High average elevation is the average of the highest elevation that it will take. Median elevation is move each point to the median elevation of all the scan points found in the radius. Average will be the average of all the points in that radius. Low average elevation means the lowest average of the points. And then minimum elevation will mean the minimum elevation of any of the points. So from maximum all the way to minimum, you have that option. So let's say I would like to choose average. Now the search stations will determine how big the radius around the vertex of the line would be that you would like to search. So obviously the bigger the area, the more points that will be included. For this, I will use a 1 meter radius. In the creation options, you have a few tick boxes and options to utilize going forward. You can create an offset line by a certain distance from the original. You can tell it to the right or to the left of the existing line if you want to use that. You can add points when interval exceeds a certain distance, and you can interpolate missing elevations for lines. I will untick that one. So if there is no points, it will interpolate it for you, depending on your needs. And then layer-wise, we can stick it, place it in any of our layers or create one for that. Lastly, you can delete the existing object, and once it has been moved, you will then have it as only the moved object. I will not do that for now, so we can see the effect of this. When you're happy with your selections and options, click Apply. Now we can see it has draped that object onto the point cloud that we selected. If we zoom in, you will see it will now fit exactly onto that as per our requirements. That is the new enhancements to the Drape objects on point clouds found in TBC 2023.